Assemble custom-turned pens, kits, and projects precisely and confidently with the new and improved Milescraft PenPress. The PenPress is packed with features that allow you to assemble pens easier and faster. The receiving tip has a recessed cavity that cradles and supports the pen tip. There's also an extra pen tip blank that is flat and can be swapped out or modified if desired. The PenPress has a spring-loaded shaft that firmly holds your piece in place. This allows for hands-free operation or lets your free hand guide delicate projects with more control. The PenPress is lightning fast to adjust with the quick flip-stop system. Open the stops, insert your piece, then flip them back to set your backstop position. Once in position, your settings won't slip. The long comfort grip handle amplifies force but is precise enough for micro adjustments. The PenPress is capable of producing up to 300 pounds of force, yet the clamp and handle design allow for gentle pressure. On the base of the tool, you'll find even more improvements to help your PenPress stay secure and help you stay organized. The extended base supports have long strips of anti-slip material to keep your press firmly in place. They're also helpful for clamp placements. 4 mounting holes allow the PenPress to be secured to your work surface. The base also contains a magnetic drawer for storing extra blanks, kits, and other necessities. The PenPress from Milescraft gives you all the tools required to craft the finest pieces with confidence. Milescraft, always the better idea.